I connected and disconnected now. Hello, hi Krishna. I don't even know if you can hear me right now because my OBS is in red right now. Apparently I only have 600 KB per second. Hello, hi guys. Can anyone tell me if the stream is even watchable right now? Okay, I'm gonna configure my progress bar. Hi, good morning, or afternoon, evening, wherever you are. Long time no see. Hello. Hi, Krishna. How you doing? How's the stream connection, by the way? My OBS tells me that I might have some jank on my side. Yeah, hi, Krishna. What have you been up to? How do you do? I'm doing pretty well. Yeah, I have some exciting things planned for this channel, like an event. I'm planning to do a sort of a Shark Tank thing where some coding VTubers get together and try to compete to see who can make the dumbest app. And then at the end, we present them Shark Tank style in front of a panel of judges, and the dumbest one wins. I think it's gonna be pretty fun. I'm pretty excited about that. I even started building sets for the Shark Tank theme. I think it's slow. Yeah, that's what I think on my side too. My model isn't even moving right now. I tried switching to data mode. Hello? Yeah, model not even moving right now. No. Let me try debugging this. Oh, okay, I got my motion back. You know what? Maybe this is better. I turn the internet on, I turn the internet off. Okay, cool. Maybe that was the solution. Is the internet really slow, even on the stream? Let me know. Okay. Well, anyways, this game. Should I try turning my internet on and off for my main computer too? Maybe that will help. So how do I do that? That help for the phone? Krishna. Alright. I'll try turning my Wi-Fi on and off. On again. Please connect back. Don't tell me you won't connect back. Okay. We're back, I think. Okay. I will run with this. And if it doesn't work, well, you can watch the video afterwards, the VOD. Okay, here we are. I've 3D modeled, the O's. There we have two O's. We have an X and a platform to play the game. So what do I want to do now? I just realized I might need to model some more stuff for the game to work. So I want to have like 27 dots on top of this platform. 27 because, wait, it's 27, right? I need one dot in place of each location that I can place an X or an O. Wow, okay, the internet seems good now. Hopefully I didn't just jinx it. Maybe I really just have to turn my internet on and off. Okay, I wanted to place 27 dots on this thing to symbolize each place where I can place an X or an O. Yeah, so they're just gonna be like yellow glowing dots or something. And also, for the other models, I have to export the dots and the platforms separately as one model, and then I have to export the X's and O's as one model as well. I'm still debating, because I have to instantiate them separately in the game, right? Every time I click on a dot, I instantiate this model and this model separately. Also, I'm still debating whether I want to keep this model of the O or this model. I personally like this one better, but I think Jake said that he liked this one yesterday. I think I'll go with this one for now, since this one's more true to the original of our reference photo. This was the O that I've been seeing all my childhood too, so maybe I'll use this O, and then I'll use this one. Maybe it's a configurable thing in the future, who knows. Okay. Next model. Also, I'm gonna reload my progress bar to reflect my goals for this stream today. Okay, so we have prepare model for the game, load model to the browser, make X's and O's on click, and then what does that say here? Oh, win condition? Yeah, win condition. Okay, so first steps first. Ball McCunn says, "Hi sir, how are you?" I'm good. Aurora, hello, how are you? How's everyone doing? I'm good. I'm making 3D Tic Tac Toe. Look, it spins, wow. Is this Unity, by the way? No, this is Blender. I'm still in the modeling phase. I realize there's some stuff I need to model still. I'm actually not going to use a game engine. I'm going to code it natively in a browser in JavaScript. So, going to be a challenge. Okay, let's save this model as a version 2. Yay. Version 2 save as. Okay, so the next step is I told myself I need to put like 27 dots here, right, to symbolize all the places where I can place a X or an O. So let's do that. The dot will just be a tiny sphere, which we don't need to be too high res. Mesh. Let's use UV sphere, I guess. What is the resolution of this UV sphere? It's too much. I imagine it's going to be about that big, roughly speaking. So we'll divide this by 2, maybe 16, 8. How's that? Feel like that's fine. If it's that small, it should be fine, right? Like if it's just this size. I've always adored people who can use Blender and these 3D stuff. Ooh, thank you. I used to really admire people too. When I saw people doing this, I thought it was the coolest thing ever. The fact that you can do like a 360. Wow. That was the thing that got me into this thing. Do you think this sphere is high res enough or low res enough? I don't want it to cause like performance problems because I'm gonna be coding this in a web browser. I think it's gonna be fine, right? I think this is fine. You know what? Screw it. It's fine. Back to shaded mode. Gonna pull this thing up. Also, everything is crooked right now. I need to put everything to 0. Okay. Nice. Back to modeling mode. So this thing is supposed to be really small. Oh, maybe this side? I just wanted to represent like the place where I can place an object, you know? Maybe here? Would you be able to click on it? Maybe I'll make it a little bit bigger. I don't understand 100% code, but I love this live and learning communication. Oh, thank you. Maybe I'll make it like this, so it'll fit inside the X. Can I hide this inside of the X if I instantiate an X over it? I think I can. Okay. Yeah, okay, that's good. This is the size. I don't have the patience to do this. Sphere. I'll call this marker 1, probably. Okay, how do I... Okay, I can duplicate by pressing Shift D. Move this here. Shift D to here. Okay, I'm also going to shade them smooth so that they look, you know, smoother. Shade smooth. What are you making the small spheres for? Oh, I want to represent the places where I can place a, you know, X or an O, because otherwise the user has nowhere to click to try to identify where to put these places. Yeah, basically when you click on these dots, an X or an O, depending on your turn, will appear there. How can I perfect in JavaScript? That is a very good question because I'm not perfect in JavaScript either. I just try my best. That's all I can do. I just realized there's kind of no precise way to place these spheres because I don't know what the dimensions of this thing is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my god, 8 doesn't go into 3. God damn. I just kind of have to eyeball it, don't I? What is this? So currently on Y, this is negative 2.27. It's so imprecise. So this will have to be 2.27. Okay. Nice. I need to assign a material to this thing. I want to make it like just glowing yellow, so the user can be like, oh, I can click there or something. New material, base color, that's fine. What I'm looking for is emission. I want to like a pretty solid color. Emission. And then with the base color, can I just make it black? Oh, okay, that works. Can I make it a pure emission color? I feel like because it is specular right now, it's not like a pure color. I'm gonna Control Z. Okay. New principal BSDF. Can I have a... Is there such thing as a pure emissive? Oh, emission is here. Okay. Color. Yeah, boy. Pure emission color. Okay. Because this is more like a UI thing. Okay. We're getting somewhere. You should make a checkered board. My suggestion, you can eyeball it from above. Oh, but that takes work on texture. I already spent so much time making a wood texture. I think eyeballing like this is fine for my purposes. Yeah. Apparently, I just have to remember 2.27295 meters and copy it for everything. Alright. Okay. So now I have to... Well, I have to apply the material to these things too. Material, I'll call it yellow. Yellow. This yellow is also not bright enough either. 2? Oh, okay. Maybe a bit less saturated. I do like 10. Okay, that's fine for now. Okay. Now to duplicate these. What was the magic number again? 2.2729. Alright. 2.2729. Am I gonna remember this? I don't think so. Okay. On the x-axis, we move it 2.279. Yeah. Oh, I messed up. It's 2.2729. God damn. 2.2729. Oh wait, the number's right there. I could have. X-axis. 2.2729. There we go. Oh, thanks, Aurora. And then over here, Control D that. Press X to snap it on the X. Negative 2.2729. I'm literally typing the number out. Yay, okay. Ooh, what should I call these markers? I'll worry about that later. So I'll just marker 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 currently. Should I make my life easier and have it auto-name it for me? Like 0.000. And then these are like marker 1. Yay. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna save myself some work. I don't want to have to rename all these one by one later, so I'm gonna make them all just marker and have Blender name them for me, like marker 006, marker 007. Though now that I'm thinking about it, it might not be a super great idea either because there's no specific ordering. Because one is like here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh well. I don't think I need them to be in a specific order, it's just for like organization's sake. Yeah, I don't think I need them to be in a specific order. I just need to identify them somehow. Okay. Duplicate again. We'll move it in the y-axis. Sorry, the z-axis. That should be about right. And again here, snap it to the z-axis. Think that's about right. So imprecise. Okay. My gut tells me this should move up a little. So this moves up like that, I guess. Let me turn on, should I turn on X-ray vision? Okay. That. My gut also tells me that this whole layer should move up one. Make some more. Wow, look guys, I'm so precise with this. Why is there 27 markers? Oh, because we're playing 3D Tic Tac Toe. In regular Tic Tac Toe, it's 3 by 3, so there's 9, and then we're adding another dimension to it, so it's 27. When you click on one of these markers in the game, this is more like UI stuff. When you click on one of these markers, it will place a marker there, like an X or an O, depending on what you're playing as. Yeah. Man. Is a emission shader a bit... Is an emission shader a bad idea for this? I feel like it's so confusing to look at. I don't know, this feels like a bad idea. This is so messy to look at. Is it not? Should I make it smaller, maybe? All the markers smaller. Oh. It scales everything with the same pivot point if I do this. Okay, hold on, ChatGPT. Blender, how to scale. I feel like I need to see the playthrough. How to scale objects. How to scale a bunch of selected objects individually with their own, by their own pivot point each. Okay, select all the objects you want to scale, press tab. You must be in object mode, press S. Press Alt S instead. This does not do what you want. Then why are you telling me this? Change the pivot mode. Look at the header bar. Individual origins. Oh. Now press S to scale. The header bar, pivot point drop down, individual origins. Huh. Press S. Alt S. Silo says, yo, I saw your idea. I'm not gonna leak it. Don't worry. Is it still open? Also, just press the scale button. Much easier. I can show you. Oh. Silo. Is it still open? Oh, you're talking about the... Oh, no worries. You can talk about it. I already told chat. This is the... We compete to make the dumbest apps thing, right? Let's see. Yeah, it's still open. You can join. I'm thinking about it, dividing the coders into 2 groups, however, because there's probably too much coders right now. Yeah, you can totally join. We'll probably have 2 presentation days. One Shark Tank day will be on the currently decided date, and then the other one will be on a later date, just because there's a little too much coders right now. But yeah, would love to have you. I welcome all coders. Wait, yeah, how do you scale these spheres individually? ChatGPT, please help me. Individual origins, where is this? Click the pivot point, look at the header bar, top center of the 3D viewport. Pivot point drop down. Apparently I have to be in object mode, is that right? Object mode. Help, where is object mode? Global, local, is it this thing? Local. Join VC in the server. Join VC in the server. Wait, why do we have to join a VC for this? Can you not type out the instructions? Man, it feels like such a... Oh, individual origins, I got it. Let's go. Okay, this feels a little bit better. I got it. Thank you though, I appreciate you. Active element? What was the default? Just click the scale button. The scale button? Oh wait, this is a scale button. Scale cage. Huh. Also, why are you not using Unity for games? Oh, that's a good question. Because my, well, I'm using TypeScript in a browser. My job uses, well, I'm using React TypeScript. My job uses React TypeScript, and I suck at my job, so I want to get better at my job through this as practice. I'm using this as practice, basically. Long story short. A emissive shader seems like a really bad idea for this. Can I do a principled BSDF? Base color. Saijo's his skull. Hey, it might be harder, but I think it's good practice. Okay. I'm having second thoughts about putting all these markers on screen. I think it's like really cluttered UI-wise, but you know what? We will run with this for now. We will run with this. Okay. Time to export these models into the game then. The X thing. Where's the X? Why is my X model not showing? Oh, the platform. Okay. So the X O stuff will need to come outside. Do I Alt P for this? Alt P. How do I unparent? Do I just drag it outside? Shift to parent. Put all of them in a separate parent and then just toggle them on and off. Oh, okay. How do I... This is horrible. How do I toggle... how do I unparent them? ChatGPT, help me please. Blender, how to unparent parent object. To unparent, Alt P. Oh, that was what I pressed. Alt P. Alt P. Oh, there we go. Clear parent. Yay. Clear parent. Clear parent. Okay, now I can export all of these as a separate 3D model. I want to put these at 0, 0, 0 first. 0, 0, 0. Very nice. 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0. Sick. And then all these markers will now be children of the platform because they will rotate with it. Very cool. Yay, okay. So now, inside of the game, when you actually play it, to determine where you place your piece, okay, I realize this is horrible now. I will have to refine it later. But say you want to place it in the center, you click there. You want to place it here, you click there. Yeah. Okay, sweet. Time to start exporting. Also make sure faces are in correct orientation, because sometimes you need to flip normals. Oh, flip normals. I'm in the shader mode right now. Does that mean these normals should be good, no? Are in correct orientations. Okay, I already did a test export of the platform and the O's and X's, so I just have to make sure these are right. How do I display my normals? Axes. Alright, when in doubt, ask ChatGPT, haha, my best friend, how to display normal direction in Blender. Overlays. Click the face orientation. The face orientation. They say go into tab. And then face orientation. Oh. Oh. Mesh. Oh, here. Yeah, that looks right to me. Everything's pointing outside. Or at least outwards. Okay. Very nice. Cool. Platform and all of its children. We will export this. Export as a GLTF. Hurrah. 3D Tic Tac Toe. Yeah, I'm on the right thing. Okay. GLTF. We will include selected objects. Silo says, have a good day. Oh, thank you. Data. I think that's all I need to do. Okay, so we'll call this platform export. Very cool. I also want to make sure. Okay, these animations are still good. Okay. Next up is the O. File export GLTF. And then this is the O.gltf. We'll export that. Include only selected, that's good. This is the X model. Export as GLTF. X export. Okay. Okay, we should be done with the models then. Okay, I think it's time to start coding. Where are all my... Okay. Which directory are we in right now? PWD, the pain of coding, okay. Oh, also, we completed our first checkpoint, which is prepare the models for game. Properties. Interact. Sorry, I just want to... Look, check this out. Yay! It's gonna freeze, isn't it? It worked. We completed checkpoint. Okay, let's start coding this game. So this is gonna be a React Vite project. So we're gonna do npm create Vite at the latest. Project name 3D Tic Tac Toe. It will be in React, TypeScript. Very nice. We'll copy the commands here. We'll cd into here. npm install everything. While it's installing, we can admire our models. I want to place these more into view again. Maybe here, the X model. Yeah. Okay. npm install. We also need to install some 3D graphics libraries, so npm install 3, and then at the React 3 Fiber, React 3/Fiber, and then at React 3/Dre. React 3 Fiber is like the React wrapper around 3JS, and then Dre is some helper libraries or helper stuff. Cool. And then we can do a little npm run dev to get our app going. It should be appearing at this URL. npm run dev. Okay. So now if I go to here, I should see my app, hopefully. Hey, there we go. Okay. Trying to figure out how to orient my windows. Maybe like this. Okay. 3D Tic Tac Toe source app.tsx. I'm just making sure, will it react to real time in my code changes? Vite plus React, where is this? Vite plus React. If I say yay and happy face, is it going to reflect here? Oh, it does. Nice. Then I have everything set up. Very cool. Okay, let's start doing some stuff. cd into 3D Tic Tac Toe, and then we'll do a git init so we can track our progress and stuff. Git add everything, git commit. We'll say first commit or create project. Okay, now for the actual coding part, let us delete everything here. Okay, what do we do here? Well, we don't need this either. We need a div that houses our 3D canvas. We need a 3D canvas, like so. It's complaining. Let's import that from React Refiber. We need to also import our models into here. Where did I store all my models? Blender, 3D Tic Tac Toe. The OX and platform are here. Okay. Nice. Okay, I have my models over here now. So to load the model, what do? We need a function called a model. In this, we return what? We get the scene and the animations. Scene should be lowercase. We'll call this a const. Scene, comma, animations is equal to use gltf from Dre. Let's just load the platform for now. So platform.glb, that should be fine. And then down here, we'll return a primitive where the object is equal to the scene. And then that should be it. And then inside the canvas, we'll call model. Yeah, oh my gosh. Okay, something is there. To better see it, let's add, wow, that's pretty fast, orbit controls. Look, it's our scene, but with really horrible lighting, and it's really small. Alright, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. I really need to think about how to better UI better. Okay, first let's make this thing bigger, yeah? Let's make this thing bigger. Let's give it an ID called canvas container. Yay. And then in our styling, we can do hashtag canvas container. The position will be absolute. We're going to completely ignore the div that's in right now. We're going to say width is equal to 100%, so it fills up the entire screen. Height 100%, so it fills up the entire screen. Okay, and then it's currently off center, so we'll put it 0 pixels from the left, and the top is also 0. Basically, we want to put it on the top left corner of the screen. Okay. Yo, look at that. Ho ho. Ho 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 ho. Ho ho ho. Merry Christmas. Okay, we need to add some lighting in here so we can actually see what's going on. So let's do, what do we do here? What's it called again? Environment? Environment preset is equal to studio. Studio lighting, please. Hey! Everything is washed out as heck because the lighting is too strong. Environment, maybe intensity, 0.3. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Okay. Now the hard part. Let's start off really simple, right? We want to, whenever we click on these yellow things, we want to actually detect the click and then instantiate either a X or an O on it. Let's start simple and just do like instantiating maybe just an X on there. Sure, let's try that. Also, we can totally play some animations here. I want to get it rotating on its own. So we can do const actions is equal to use animations. Is it called use animations? Use animations. So we'll import the animations here. The root is the scene. Okay. And from here, we can, what are the actions over here? Console dot log actions. Why can I not open the inspect tool here? Inspect. Okay, inspect. Go backwards. Okay, that was dumb. So what are my animations here? Actions. Wait, really? Each a platform spin? Why do each marker has its own animation? Doesn't make sense. Huh, okay. So to play that animation, we can do use effect. We'll import a function that plays on once on instantiation. Cannot find and use effect. Yes, import from React. So we can do actions. How do we get the key? It's called platform spin, right? Platform spin dot play. Hey, it's spinning, boys. We did it. Hooray. Actions. Okay. We're in a good spot now, I think. Let me commit some stuff. This is not needed. Okay, what do we do? Git add, git status, git commit. He imported the platform. Import spinning platform. Load model to the location. Oh wait, that's what I just did. I'm also going to rename this platforms to something better because we're going to have multiple models loaded in. We're going to name this platform. And then we're going to have the X's and O's too. Call this X. X.gob. There's no need to probably play the X and O animations currently. Yeah. The O is really similar actually. Just do O.glb. We won't do anything with its animation actions. And then we will just the O. Why is it complaining? Cannot find name O. Oh, I see. O is here. X is here. Oh, why is it complaining? Console. Unexpected token. Could not load .gob. Oh. Whoa, why is it so big? Okay, at least we know we can load the model. What about the platform though? What happened to the platform? Okay. And then, hello, what about the X? Oh, there we go. And then the O. Okay. Nice. Alright. It's kind of buried in there, but it's fine for now. Okay. I think we completed our next checkpoint. Loading models to the browser. Yay! Hurrah. Okay, next goal is to make the X's and O's on click. So first things first, we need to actually do click detection on these yellow stuff. Like when I click on them, it should do something. How do I do this? I'm gonna try doing this myself first before asking ChatGPT. I'm pretty sure you can do a on click here is equal to, you know, blah. And then we can define a on click function like on click function on click is equal to, we'll just print something out first, console.log. Is there a event that comes here? Event? I feel like that's a thing. Event. Yellow clicked. I'll just print that at first. Yellow clicked. And then into the on click, I'll put on click. Sure. Yellow clicked. Oh my gosh, we did it. Okay. Also, what is the event that's printed here? Event. Hello clicked. Oh, it provides some goodies. What is all this? It gives us the object over here. Oh, does it give us its position? It does. Its position is here. Okay, this is some useful information. It tells us where to instantiate the X's and O's, huh? Okay. Explicitly as any type, yeah. It should. Yes, you are anything. Is this good practice to put any here? I'm not too great at TypeScript still. Okay, but this is some useful information. Yellow clicked event. So you can do dot object dot position, and it'll print out its current position. So if I click here, wait, is its position always relative to its parent? Wait. Huh. Wait, am I tripping? Is its position always like the same relative to its parent? So if I keep clicking, let's say this one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of these positions were different because it's rotating, right? Are all of these the same? It looks like it's all the same. Wow. Okay. So when we get its position, is it getting its local position? Does that even make sense? Ooh, wait. This is really interesting because, huh. Wait, what do I do with this information? I think we can get the position from the yellow dot and then save that position somewhere. And then we can instantiate a object in that position. Does that sound like an idea? So up here we can have a state, function, platform. So we can have like a const what do I call this? Piece locations, comma, set piece. This is too long. I'll call it piece looks. Set piece looks is equal to use state, and by default it's empty. Yeah. Can I give it a type like vector 3? Cannot find name vector 3. You know what? I will worry about that later. Okay, so every time I click on a yellow dot, I will input a new location into piece looks, and then in my app I will instantiate the pieces based on the piece locations. I think that sounds like a plan, yeah? Okay. Ooh, this is tricky. I've never done this before. So on click, we will have to get, it's common practice to 22 failed to reload. Invalid hook call. What? Where? 13. Oh. So this probably has to go somewhere here, right? Cannot read properties of null, reading use state. Wait, where? Control F. Oh, there we go. Okay. Ho ho. Platform. Okay, I'm trying to think. So I have to pass, if pslocks and set pslocks is here, that means I have to pass it into the platform here, right? Set piece locations. Or can I define a function and then pass it over to platform? Ooh. Maybe I can define a function that updates my piece locations. Functions update piece locations is equal to vector 3 location, which is a vector 3. Which one is it? Do we have free fiber? Okay, so my new piece locations is equal to, is it how you make a copy in TypeScript? Piece locations, everything in piece locations here. Hold on, let me ask ChatGPT. TypeScript, how to copy array and add element in spreads. Oh, that's how you do it. Okay. Okay, that's how you do it. And then you add your location in like this. Yeah, okay. And then you do set piece locations, the new piece locations. Okay, what's wrong with this? Argument of type is not assignable to parameter of type set state action. Wait, what? Number vector 3. So it thinks this is a number or vector 3. Why? Wait, React, how to make new state with default value empty array vector 3. This is React 3 fiber, and update it and do a set state call. Set positions. Oh, okay. Is this how you do it? 3.vector. Okay. Use state. Vector 3. that. Okay, and now this is fixed. Okay, we good. Update piece locations. Okay. Okay, so what we need to do is pass this update piece locations function down, I believe. To platform, what do we call this? Update piece locations is equal to update piece locations. And then the platform needs to take in this thing. Maybe like that. React how to pass in set state function into a function that returns JSX. Do I need to wrap it in curly braces? I feel like that's what you do. You need to use curly braces. Okay. Okay, so now on the onClick, I just need to update these locations. Event.object.position. Is there a way to see my state somewhere? Do I have to turn on my React extension? Oh, here. Should be on by default, right? Allow an incognito. Oh, here. Okay. Here. Okay. Huh. Also, my internet is acting up again. Oh, I'm back. Hello. Hi. Is the internet okay now? Hope so. Oh, excuse me, I just sneezed. I'm also gonna restart the internet on my phone here, since it helped last time, since the model was very choppy. Nice, okay, I think I fixed it. Okay, so where are we at right now? Oh yes, we can click on the yellow thing here, and then we're trying to add it to the state, right? I was trying to figure out what my state actually was. Application. Open the developer tools and components and the profiler. Components. I don't have a components part. Do I have to restart my entire window for this to kick in? Okay. I guess that's what I'll do. New incognito window. Let me just do a inspect first. I still don't have the components part. This is a restricted browser page. React DevTools cannot access this page. No. Okay. I guess I'll just have to access it here. What's the website again? It's this thing. Okay, I can't see the website anymore. npm run dev. Here. Okay, surely React DevTools should be able to access this. Components, there we go. Okay. Profiler. No profiling data has been recorded. Components. Oh, here's my props. Is it actually adding it into the props? It doesn't look like it actually. Components. Oh. Oh my god, what's going on? Components. Props. It doesn't look like update piece locations. How do I look at the states? Hooks. Source. Okay, I can see the... What about the app? Hello? Where are my piece locations at? Hooks, source. Oh, wait, here, state. Oh, we have a lot of state actually. This is good. This is really good. Also, I just realized it should be a set, right? Okay, we finally found it. So what if I click here again? Yeah. Okay, this is really good. We now have a bunch of states. We know for sure that we can update our piece location states. This is really good. I'm also just noticing that there should be a set. How do I do a set? Do I just do... New incognito window. Okay, ChatGPT, help me out, please. React, how to make a state of type set and put things and update the state. Update the state. Okay, use state, new set. Okay, how do I type it in TypeScript though? How to do this in TypeScript with types. Oh, set string, okay. Just call it set. Vector 3. And here is just a new set. Oh boy. Zadian says hello. Hi Zadian, how are you doing today? Hope you're having a good day. Okay, so this should be a set of vector 3. Okay, so now it's complaining here. New set. Hurrah, okay. We did it. Great, how about you? I'm doing good too. I'm currently trying to make a 3D Tic Tac Toe game. And I think it's going fine. Working on a 3GS Minecraft clone. Dang. Dang, bro, that's hardcore. Are you gonna post anywhere? Oh, how far are you in this thing now? Previous set is equal to new set with the previous set dot add. Ooh, okay. Can you also do old set, comma, new element to update the set? Or does that just make a list too? On GitHub pages, yeah, I already put it up. No way, that is so cool. New set dot add. Okay. New is equal to new set, and then you pass in the current piece locations. Dot add the location. Okay. Wait, can you send me a link? That sounds so cool, actually. Making Minecraft with 3JS. I got a link if you want to check it out. Yeah, send it to me, please. I'm so curious. Someone made Minecraft with 3JS. Oh my goodness. You coded this all by yourself? Oh my goodness. Oh Lord. Jesus. Wow. That's insane, man. Just added biomes. I'm trying to. Oh. Yay. But it still needs a lot of improvements. That is like, you got the basic game down, at least the building mechanic. Look, I'm jumping onto the clouds. I'm trying to put a dirt block down. If you press U, it shows the menu on the right. Wow. Whoa. Can I jump onto this cloud? Also, I cannot put any more blocks down here. Why? Yeah. You can also destroy the cloud. Wee! No! Dang, sweet game. I'm gonna run to the water. I made the world height 32 blocks, otherwise it lags for many people. Ooh. That's insane. Minecraft in a browser? What? Look, I'm Jesus, I'm walking on water. Holy smokes. I'm not gonna lie, these graphics might look better than regular Minecraft. At least the vanilla. Look, you got the fog in the distance. Things get foggier and lighter in the distance. Just like a Bob Ross painting. Jesus walk. Wow, I like your game better. You can Jesus walk. Whoa, doing laps around the pool. Oh, wait, hold on. Let me get that wood. Get that wood. Get that wood. Oh. Okay. How do I... I'm so bad with Minecraft, I don't even... How do I grab stuff? I want to make a construction. What do you call that? Where you put 4 woods 2 by 2 and then you make a crafting table. There's also a snow biome. There's a snow biome. Oh my gosh, desert biome. Oh, there's no crafting yet. Okay, that would explain a lot. Look, I got the cactus. You know what, guys? It's time for some cross-pollination. We will plant cactus in the water or anywhere there's trees. We shall ruin the ecosystem by planting cacti where there's not supposed to be cactus. Jesus walk. Oh, you thought cactus can only go in deserts? Well, you thought wrong. Take that. Oh, wait, that's a grass block. Where did my cactus go? Wait, where did my cactus go? I wanted to destroy the ecosystem. If you press H, it shows the controls again. Toggle UI, select block. You can save with K and load with L. Oh my gosh, you can save the game? Oh. Save game is K. I just pressed K. Hope it's saved. Okay. Wait, where did my cactus go? Is this the cactus that looks like leaves? Is this the cactus? Where did my cactus go, man? Wait, Zayden, do you only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? Is there only 9 slots to hold stuff? Yeah, the cactus is gone. No! My plan to ruin the ecosystem has been foiled by incomplete UI. God damn. There's more blocks? Is there any way I can pick up the cactus? Diamonds? You're telling me there's diamonds in this game? Where do I find the diamonds? But you gotta dig to find them. Can I? You can't dig the water. Is it time for Operation Find Diamond? No, I can't pick up anything yet. Oh, you're telling me if I find diamond, I can't pick it up? No. It's okay, you'll get there someday. I believe you. Also, look, that's where I spawned. The sky is really pretty, by the way. Look at the sky. It's not just one color like vanilla Minecraft. Also, did you say that there's a Snowy place? Snow biome? Snow biome Doko. Yeah, snow biome? Jesus walk. Oh! I see it. Is this the snow biome? Also, I like how I have it. Wait, no. Is this a snow biome? Ooh. Ooh. Wow. This game is truly really impressive, by the way. Minecraft on a browser. Was it really difficult to code this up? Did you have to code the procedural loading of the terrain? That is so cool. If I had to give any feedback, like direct feedback right now, it would be make your snow whiter maybe. It's kind of gray right now. Otherwise, it's pretty cool. Especially the chunk system. Yeah, it takes time, especially the chunk system. Dang. How long did it take to code this? Wow. Very impressive. What other things can I do? About a week of like straight programming or on and off programming. I also made more games. Dang. I want to get to this step one day too. I'm just trying to make Tic Tac Toe. This one, Portal clone. Oh my gosh. Zadie.github.io Portal clone. That is insane. Oh look, there's an island I want to get to. And I can't swim? No worries. Jesus walk. Hup. Okay, let's try the Portal clone. Look, I can destroy everything in one click too. Awesome. Oh. The water. Oh, I'm on a cloud now. Cloud walking. Oh my goodness. I am God. Yep. Cloud jumping. Okay. Can you do the thing where you press control or something and you won't fall off and you can place blocks? What? Oh, okay. That's fine. Where the frick am I? Ah! Okay, no fall damage. It's good. Alright. That was really fun. You say you make a Portal clone. Oh my goodness. Wait, that's actually insane. Yo. Yo. Oh my goodness. Are you like a prodigy or something? Controls. Blue portal, orange portal. Wait. I can totally do the thing. The thing where... Wait. Where the heck am I? Gonna reload this thing. Okay. I can totally do the thing where... Portal here. Here, I'll make it more precise. Portal here. Portal here. Have you tested this out? Yeah. Okay, it's not very precise. My jumping, that is my jumping. That's so funny. No. Dude, how did you get to this level of 3JS? That's actually amazing. Are you using React 3 Fiber? Okay. Hold on. What in the world? No, let me back inside the building. Oh, there we go. That's still there. So what I have to do is just shoot directly below me so I have no momentum, and it will be perfect. This is so fun. I'm just using vanilla JS with 3JS. That is so hardcore. How long does it... Dang. Do you have any advice on how to get good at 3JS? I want to get good at 3JS too. That is so cool. I should check out your projects on GitHub. This is like pretty amazing. Oh my god, the controls. They're so sensitive. I'm so screwed. Oh, I'm still good. No, I'm not good. I'm not good. Oh, I'm still good. And my car is in 100% good shape too. Not a single scratch. Because my car is made of titanium. Oh my gosh. Is this Rocket League? Can I tap those balls right there? If you can rotate with the camera with the mouse if you click once first. Oh. Blender. Created using Blender. That is... Man, how do you get so good at this stuff? I'm stuck here trying to make a Bop It and a Tic Tac Toe board. My car is made of titanium. It will not dent, but whoever sits in the front seat is so screwed if this crashes. Well, bam. Ow. If you press P, it goes in first person. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. First person loop-de-loop. Ah. Oh. Ow. Oh, I'm good. My head is made of titanium too. It's fine. Bam. View lock. Wow. By the way, can I ask how you did the fog? Is it the default 3GS fog thing? You should check out the banners on the side. The banners? Tin foil. What does that say? Noodle. When you just want to... Wait, what does that say? Can I jump this? When you just want to know how long to boil pasta. Ah. Net flops. Watch it buffer in 4K. Oh my god, the roast. Your default 3GS. The blue. Oh, you can jump. Man, you sound like a nice person to be friends with. Hold on, we gotta... Dang. Oh! Don't worry, I'm back. Like the Terminator. Oh. Hey. Get it. Oh. Do you have physics to like stabilize the car? It seems to... It's like a Tesla. This is for fog. Scene.fog is equal to new 3.fog. Is that... What's that number value? Is that for gray? I have no idea what those values are. Yeah. My car can climb walls. What about yours? Uh, uh, uh. It's a light bluish color. Oh, it makes sense. Like the Bob Ross technique. Okay, I swear, I will jump out of this stadium in the name of freedom. My car will experience what true freedom feels like. Oh, okay. Dang! Does your car always flip? Okay, I just flipped it. Oh! Huh. It's like a Tesla, it never flips. Open world forest. Dang. Jump! Alright. Hold on. I have a challenge for myself. Can I make your car flip upside down? I'm so curious. Why does this car keep flipping right side up? I want to flip it. Okay, I didn't do it. Yeah. Okay, I didn't do it. When you flip upside down, it will respawn you right side up in 5 seconds? Really? Well, you really thought this through, huh? Did you do anything to make it, like, extra so that, like, it's bottom heavy or something? Whoop. Dang. How long does it take you to code this thing? Whoa. Is it actually possible to do a loop-de-loop? So it's difficult. The collision shape is an oval. Oh, I see. It took 4 days. Also, my phone just died. I no longer have face tracking. Yeah, loop-de-loop is possible. Just need speed. Well, I'll show you some speed. Ugh. Ugh. Hold on, I want to make sure I don't drive out of the stadium. Is it possible to jump out of these fences? And it's easier in first person, really? Does the car go faster if you press shift? I can't tell if I did. Oh, okay, I definitely didn't do it. No, it doesn't go faster with shift. Imagine if you had a mode on your car in real life that's like press shift for speed. You can jump the fence, but it's difficult and you'll just fall forever. Makes sense. Okay, my goal for this stream is to do the loop-de-loop. Huh. Why is it easier in first person though? Wow. Have you seen one of those videos where it's like they drive a car off a cliff and it's like with Mars gravity versus sun gravity versus Earth gravity, and they're like 0% death, 10% death, 99.99% death. Okay, first person. Where's first person? I chickened out, goddammit. Okay. Where there's a will, there's a way. Also, the license plate is your name, Zadian. I just think it's easier in first person because when you are upside down in third person, it's rather difficult to see. Oh, okay. I just crashed into it. No, I will not give up. My dream. I must fulfill father's dream of doing a loop-de-loop. That's right, my father's dream was to do a loop-de-loop. This is for you, father. Like what I promised you. The steering is so sensitive too. I blame the controls. Father. Ah! Oh! No, I almost did it. Yeah, the steering. Oh wait, I should ask. How did you program the car movement? Is it with Rapier engine? I've wanted to learn Rapier engine too, but I haven't gotten to it. I just watched videos on it. It used to be I used ammo.js. What's ammo? Is it also physics? Have you tried Rapier versus ammo? Okay, this is the one. I feel it. No, this is not the one. It's a port of bullet physics. Oh, I think I used bullet physics before, or at least something called bullet physics in Autodesk Maya. I haven't tried Rapier. Oh, most of the tutorials online seem to be about Rapier. Yeah. Does that count? Oh. Oh, just curious. Have you tried React 3 Fiber? Yay! Mission accomplished. Daddy will be proud of me when I go home. Oh, just 3JS. Ooh. Yeah, I started with 3JS too, and then I heard of React 3 Fiber. Alright. If I'm a real person in this world, I would have been dead by now. Yay! Jump. Can your car jump fences? I don't think so. Okay. One last try at the loop-de-loop and I'll call it a day for this stream. Is it just me or does this car not jump straight? I mean, does it not drive straight? Is it because the physics? I swear it strays left. Oh! This is so stupid. Look, I completed a loop-de-loop. Wait, how are you doing the physics? Is it... Wait, I'm trying to think. Why would it not drive straight? Is it because it's actually like... Wait, why would it not drive straight? You said that the collider is a spherical thing? Is that why? Are you... Do spheres, since they have just one point of contact on the ground? Huh. Okay. Dang, you're fun, man. ADN. What is this you sent me here? Open World Forest. Is this the prequel to... Oh my goodness. This feels like a horror game. What is... Wait. This is multiplayer? Hello. Do you have this stuff? Have you watched Suits? You look like two Harvey Weinsteins right now. Hello, Harvey. Here's what's gonna happen. You're gonna drop the suit and you're gonna pay my client $2 million. Because if you don't, we're gonna drop a subpoena on you. And that's not gonna look great for you in court. You can press P to go first person. Oh my goodness. You look exactly like Harvey from... Did you just try to put your balls in my face? I'm gonna take that. Okay, whoever jumps higher wins the settlement. Yeah. I would be able to jump higher, but my suit is weighing me down. See, I have 10 pounds of steel bolts in my suit right now. Because I'm also a construction worker on the side. This lawyer gig isn't working too well for me. Hey, where are you going? Oh, you want me to jump over this bush? Yeah. Do you think Slenderman is gonna come out and show himself? Hmm. Hmm. Do these woods go infinite, by the way? I should add Slenderman. Okay. I'll race you to... Wait, how come you can go so fast? I'm so slow. Yeah, it's chunk-based also infinite. What? I need to check out your code for how to generate infinite worlds. Hold shift to sprint. But I am holding shift. Oh. Wait. Do you have a... In 3JS, left shift? Yeah, it's left shift. Don't tell me if I hold down the right shift you'll run faster. Wait, it's kind of cool how the shadows come into... There's the thing called a shadow frustum, right? Where, for performance reasons, you can define whose shadow appears in what range. Is that the shadow frustum thing in play? Like the shadows appearing? Oh. Backwards running. You want to play a game? Let's play hide and seek. The shadows only appear near the camera. Hey, hey, hey. Why are you running so fast? I just realized you can probably see me anyway because it's in third person. I can see you from behind this rock. I don't know why it doesn't work for you, it's weird. Well, good, it's pretty cool. Alright, Harvey, here's the deal. Our client wants to settle for 2 million, but we know you don't have 2 million. So here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna go out and take a loan out of your own money for your client, and then we'll settle. How does that sound? Jump once for yes, jump twice for no. Hello? Jump once for yes. Oh, he settled. We won the case. We won the case. Yay. And that is how Harvey Weinstein does it. Wait, hold on. What was his last name? It's Harvey. Harvey Specter, not Harvey Weinstein. Harvey. Who the heck is Harvey Weinstein? Oh, not Harvey Weinstein. I'm not Harvey Weinstein. Harvey Weinstein is some other dude. And that is how Harvey Specter does it. Someday, my name will be on the wall too. Not like in the wanted page, but in the... with one of the producers of Lord of the Rings. Okay, that is how Harvey Specter does it. Behold the spectacle, Spectre. Alright, what are you still doing here in the forest? You gotta go to the bank, get a loan. Yeah? Yeah. Wow. Hey, what else can you do in this forest? It's just two dudes. Two dudes, one forest. Was the point of this, like, procedural generation of terrain? That's pretty cool, too. That is, like, huge. I should read some of your GitHub code, too. Yeah, it's just a walking simulator. Oh. That's cool. But yeah, didn't Harvey Weinstein get arrested for some stupid thing? It's probably not good to say that it's how Harvey Weinstein does it. Actually, the point of it was to make a working 3GS multiplayer game with Socket.io and Node.js. Socket.io? Ooh. Oh yeah, I wanted to get into multiplayer stuff too. I saw some Wawa Sensei tutorial that you could use some I don't know, there's some free services out there that you could do multiplayer with and like room generation. Okay, well, I'm not gonna hit my Tic Tac Toe goals for today, but thank you for sharing your games. These are pretty nice. Very fun. I had fun. Lol, there's a bug. I'm also slow now. Lol. Where are you? Oh. Wait, we can totally see who's faster and see how your physics engine works. Have a race. Ha, you're fat. You can't fit through those trees. Huh. Looks like the true Harvey Specter is fit and healthy, unlike imposter Harvey Specter. Huh. You had to go around. Oh, he's catching up. We have to run. Oh. Wait, I'm so curious. What happens if you run in one direction and I run in one direction? Does it procedurally generate... Oh no, he's catching up. No, you run faster. We'll catch you. It's still infinite, yeah. Wow. Does it affect performance if one person runs to one side and one person runs to the other side? Because you'll have to generate the worlds on both sides. Have you heard of Minecraft Farlands? I have? Ooh. X-ray vision. I have, yeah. I don't think I played it though. I don't really know what it's about. Okay. No, it doesn't affect performance, but the client loads the chunks. The client loads the chunks. Oh, not the server, the client. So it's dependent on... Dang, I should read your code sometime. And both clients have the same seed. Oh, so... The client only loads what's around your player, is that right? So you don't have to load what the other player is. The player model starts... But if you walk really far away, player model starts glitching out. I am so intrigued. How does it glitch out? But really far, like in Minecraft, the Farlands. But if you walk really, really far away, how does it start glitching out? Is it because, I don't know, is it because the bones that are rigged to the model are like not 100% good? of the integer. Oh, integer value is too high. How long does that take? Does it integer overflow? So you start at the beginning again? Ooh, there's like a clear path here. I want to run fast. I'm training for the Boston Marathon of next year. If you want, I can update it real quick. What? Oh my goodness. So you can see. That is so cool of you. Let's go. I was about to hop off for today, but let's go 5x speed. This game. I'm running, but I'm going nowhere. Just like in the life. Okay, might take a minute to update. No worries, a minute is nothing. Man, I should learn from you some more. I want to make games like these too. Just like... Man, I should. Reason. What number should I set the speed to? It's currently at 0.1. Oh, can you set it to 100? Wait, did you say 5,000? So maybe 500? Man, this is one cool dude. I want to get to the point where I can make games like this too. Procedural scene generation, huh? But yeah, how do you actually handle the terrain here? Do chunks actually disappear as you move out of it? I set it to 100. That is good. Ho ho. Are you like a real engineer in real life, by the way? Or are you still in school? You might have to press Control-Shift-R to clear the cache. Control-Shift-R. I am still... It's Chet. L Top Hat. Hi, L Top Hat. Hello. Who are you? Hi, L Top Hat. Hello. Who are you? Do I know you? L Top Hat. Look, I'm running in the woods. I have... making progress, and that's all that matters. I have completely abandoned my Tic Tac Toe project, and I've opted to run in the woods. Hey, I did close a deal though with my doppelganger in the woods. Control-Shift-R to clear the cache. Oh, I saw someone. Hello there. Is this... The fact that this is browser is insane. I know, right? Hello there. Oh my gosh. Do you want to play a game? You want to play red light, green light? Okay. I'll go far away. And if I see you moving, you're dead. I should add multiplayer to the Minecraft one. How do you say the red light, green light thing? Okay. Red light, green light. Da da do do da 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 hamnida. Dang, you're good. Oh! When did he get there? He teleported. By the way, El Top Hat, are you also a VTuber? I swear I've seen your name somewhere. I don't remember though. Okay, it's 12:10 my time. I have not completed my Tic Tac Toe goals, but hey, we checked out some cool games today. Excuse me. Man, this is so cool. I want to make games like these too. Very inspirational. Okay, I think I'm done for today. Thank you to everyone who joined. Thanks El Top Hat. Thanks Zadian. Dang Zadian. Where do you get these skills from? There's a Top Hat VTuber though. Oh. Okay. Have a good one. Thanks Zadian. Thanks El Top Hat. See ya.